We are at the Alton Towers Hotel, and this is a Voyager.
Yeah,
Moon Voyager room. So we are room 350. I'm just going to show you inside. So we'll go in. First thing you come to is the toilet here. Actually, there must be a shower somewhere. So this is a toilet. Oh, these are lovely. So you get sea kelp, shampoo, bath and shower gel, soap, and a little like thing for Matilda there. She's gonna love that. Then there's a lovely sink, a mirror. The theming's amazing. Oh, I like that. You can hang like your robe up or your towels. And behind there, wow, that's quite a sizable space there. A bath with a lovely shower and the glass. Not a curtain, like an actual screen. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah. And then there's opposite that is the open wardrobe. It's really big. So you've got hangers, you've got an iron, you've got I was going to say pack and plates because what Americans call it's travel cot. We didn't obviously request that. Mrs. doesn't need a travel cot, but there's a travel cot. Then you've got 4 mugs, tea, kettle, tea, coffee, some little biscuits. Nice big deep drawer there. These are nice. The little handles are like different little knobs on the handles. That is, oh, this is a fridge under here. Yeah, little mini fridge there. That's nice. Then there's sizable storage under there as well, isn't there?
Ironing board for you later.
Yeah, so that ironing board. Then we've got a desk here. So it's lovely themed, a lovely lamp, picture.
It's like steampunk.
Yeah, then there's like a little, sorry, ignore all the rubbish, but there's a stool there so you can sit. Oh, hairdryer. So you can sit and like do your hair and do your makeup and stuff. Then pan round, there is a full length mirror. So that's kind of back to the door there and the toilet, full length mirror. Then here, this is going to be Matilda's little bed. This is the kids area. So this is so amazing. I can't believe how big this room actually is. So there's all the little nodules that you can turn on there. And then it is a bunk bed. So bunk bed with ladders. So the ladders are fitted on. So there's a bed up here. Sorry, I've just moved that. That's my pillow. Oh, and then on the bed, there is an activity book. So Alton Towers activity book with mini colouring. But it looks like a lovely bed. It's like a duvet, a lovely little blanket at the end. And then I think this is like a little, yes, that turns off that light there. So if you're on the top bunk, you could have that little night light on at night time. Then there's one on the bottom bunk as well. So it's like another little night light, another activity pack. So even though we've only got one child, Matilda, they've given us 2. So I'm sure she'll enjoy using both of them. But as we turn around, she's only got her own TV, complete with Xbox. Yeah. So she's very excited about this. So she's got like her own little space here because she's got the Eva bed that she can sit on and watch TV, play on the Xbox. Then come in the corner and we've got the main bed and a huge teddy bear on the bed, which actually says, "My name is Zachariah and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to enjoy my adventures with Sir Alagon." So he just basically lives in the room, a giant teddy bear on the bed. It's so funky. Oh, they've got like a classic telephone as well to go with style. I love that. They're not drawers, but there is a gap in there. Can't see. Oh yeah, there's a plug socket there. So you can charge your phone there, a little night light. Theming's lovely. And then opposite the bed, there's 2 more comfy chairs, a table and a TV. So it's kind of like we've got our own space here because Matilda's like behind that wall. So we've got our own space and she's got her own space. She's really, really good. So again, I'm not sure if there's a plug on this side though. That's what I'm looking for now. No, so this side doesn't have a plug socket. So you'd have to charge your phone if you were sleeping on that side, but not on this side. I mean, there is plug sockets by the
yeah, they've got USB as well.
Desk over there and USB. And then we have an amazing, I don't think both of them have seen the view yet. We have got a beautiful view looking over the lake facing the CBeebies Hotel. It is beautiful. we can just see the gorgeous lake, the little park.
And after
the view.
Smash landings, we've got air conditioning.
Lovely. Yeah, we've got air conditioning because it was one of my favourite splash landings. We were absolutely boiling all night, wasn't we? We couldn't sleep because it was so hot. It was absolute madness. But let me just pan back round just to show you. So basically that's the door where we came in. The toilet door is there. There's the mirror and there's Matilda's section there. So you can see how the section and then the main bed is here. So it's like quite separate, which I just think is so cool. And there she is up there.
Hello, the Xbox is just on the screen loading.
Okay. This is an amazing room.